Daily maintenance of lifting platform. First item, loop inspection. Before operating the lifting platform, the operator should inspect the forklift around the vehicle, observe whether there are any obstacles around the forklift, and check whether the platform is deformed, cracked, or corroded. Confirm that protective devices such as guardrails and safety doors are intact and secure. Check if the platform is clean, free of oil stains and debris slipping or stuck when placed. Second item, check the hydraulic system. Open the hydraulic oil storage location and check if the hydraulic oil has changed color and if the oil level is normal. If the oil level is insufficient, please replenish the hydraulic oil. If the hydraulic oil changes color, please replace it in a timely manner. Check the oil pipe and joint. Visually, there is no damage or oil leakage. Hydraulic oil replacement steps. Third item, check the electrical system. Check whether the control button and emergency stop switch are sensitive and effective, and confirm whether the safety warning devices such as warning lights and buzzers are normal. Manual pressure relief device. Open the control box and check whether the cables inside the control box are burned due to electric shock, as well as whether the lifting cables are at risk of damage, exposure, or aging. If any of the above situations occur, please handle them promptly. Fourth item, function test. Lift and lower the platform empty once. Check if the platform is running smoothly, and stop using immediately if any abnormalities are found. Fifth item, lubricating grease filling. Add lubricating grease once a week and use a grease gun to lubricate key moving parts such as wheel hub bearings, shaft pins, hinges, etc., to avoid dry friction. Seasonal maintenance points. 1. Removing rust from corroded areas can extend the lifespan of equipment. 2. It is recommended to replace the oil regularly every year or adjust the oil change cycle according to actual usage. Precautions. 1. Operators are required to wear safety helmets. 2. Live maintenance is prohibited, and the power must be cut off before maintenance. 3. Suggest keeping maintenance records, standardizing equipment maintenance, and eliminating safety hazards.